welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. This is just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile. We are back in my loft today and we are doing part 2 of my subscriber friend mail that was sent to me from Krisha. She is incredibly generous, and this is the last tote of all the fragrance sprays that she went ahead and sent me. And some of these guys I have never even smelled. So if you love fragrance videos, please stick around. Hit subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you know what year some of these came from. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Can you do me a favor? Like I said, hit subscribe down below. We are so close to 1,000 members on my channel. And when we get to 1,000 members, we are giving away a $50 gift card for my favorite brand, Bath & Body Works, and I can't wait to give it to you guys. So like I said, please hit subscribe. We're so close. We're just inching along. But let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so as you saw last time, I went ahead and I put all of the mist from the boxes. I had to break it down. I put them in a couple of totes. We've done the first tote. I will link that down below. So getting into this, the first mist that I just pulled out, this is Midnight Spell. This is one of the Halloween scents from a couple years ago. This is Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. I'm excited for this one. I've never smelled this one. Now, I love amber, woody, fresh scents, so I'm surprised I never added this to my collection. This smells incredible, and that, again, guys, is Midnight Spell. We'll just set that there. I'll move my water bottle. Another one that she sent, I did not have this. I do not have this in my collection. This is Love Always Wins. This is Rainbow Waves. Oh, that's interesting. This is Sunny Sangria, Bright Melon, and Misty Waters. Can you guys hear my husband snoring? Yeah. Okay, this is a Moonlit Martini. Let me see if I can find a cap. I can't find a cap right now. We'll just set that there. Okay guys, I have never smelled this one. There's just a tiny bit left of this. This is a Bonfire Bash. This is Vanilla Bourbon, Creamy Sandalwood, and Cashmere Musk. And there's just a tiny bit left. And I plan on savoring this and sticking this over with my sprays that I deem rare to me, and this is going to be just for, you know, like sniffing purposes. It does smell absolutely gorgeous. I would say I really get a lot of like cashmere and vanilla, but this is beautiful. But I am going to stick that with my rare collection. This one is going to be in my backups. I have one of these. This is White Tea and Ginger, and I love this scent. Put that there. We have, let me see, a Cotton Candy by Body Fantasies. I love those. White T-shirt. I'm gonna put this in with my rares as well. We'll stick that there. This is gonna be a backup, but it is one of my favorite scents, and I've recently, I believe, finished this. This is Forever Sunshine. So I love that scent. Another little bit left of White T-shirt that is going to go in with my rares. This one is Beach Nights, and I have never smelled this one. There's just a tiny bit left of this one. This is Toasted Marshmallow, Sea Salt Breeze, S'mores Accord, Beach Driftwood, and Creamy Vanilla. You guys, seriously, why have they not brought this back? This is so good. Like, you get like that chocolatey note in there too from the s'mores and the vanilla. This is gorgeous. Definitely going in with my rare collection. This one is Bath and Body Works Sparkling Orange Spritz from the Straw collection that came back out a few years ago. This one is Cozy Evening. This is Lavender Blooms, Fresh Freesia, and Cozy Musk. And you guys know I love clean, fresh, and lavender scents. Then we have, guys, the Butterfly. This is so good. And it's so funny because I feel like you can really wear this anytime, maybe not dead heat summer, but I absolutely love Butterfly. It is stunning. It is so good. And then what else do we have? Just a couple more left. So this bottle is actually from Mix Bar, and this is Vanilla Bourbon. Ooh. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna actually pull this and use some of this now because this is the perfect time to be using this. So I plan on using that now. We have a bottle of the Cozy Fireside S'more. I'm probably gonna use some of that now. It's a good time to use it. And then we have a bottle of Midnight Blue Citrus. You guys know I love this one. This is Juicy Citrus, Fresh Spring Water, and Sweet Mango. But guys, that is all of the scents from that tote. So that is everything that Krisha had sent me, and I will go ahead and add a link to the previous video that she had sent. But thank you, Krisha, so much. It has been a privilege and an honor to get to know you, and I appreciate all of the love and all the support you guys, all of you, have given to the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you in our next friend mail. Bye, guys.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.